Alrighty, guys, it is Miss McDade here. You should be able to actually see me on camera, which is a little weird, but I thought, why not see if we can work this out? Okay, so I'm going to show you a really awesome resource called Khan Academy, if you've never heard of it, that we are going to be using to supplement math. And I'm also going to be showing you a recommended schedule that Mrs. Phillips actually shared with me that her class is going to be doing. So, the first thing that I want you guys to do is to log on through Clever. And I know I've already showed you that, but I'm going to show you that again. Right here is the Clever app for me, but again, up there in the browser, if you just type the word Clever, it'll take you to our search engine here where you can click Clever Login, and you're going to log in with Google right here. So if you log in with Google, you'll do your actual login number, which is your lunch number, followed by @LMUSD, and then your password is going to be your birthday. But mine's already right here. Okay, when you get to Clever, it's the normal page. I've got my page here, and then you can scroll down to other things. I've already saved Khan Academy. It's this little hand with a tree there. If you scroll down, though, it's under Free District Resources, and you can click it. It'll take you there. You'll logged in through Clever, which is awesome because the district has it. Once you get to Khan Academy, I don't have any of you guys on there, but it will have you log in, and it's going to be 501 is what our actual class is, obviously. And I have assignments here, like that you guys can do, which just has math and has other things, and it's a really awesome tool that you can use. It's completely free, and there's gonna be little quizzes I can put on there, or I actually have videos and everything, which is awesome. And I really want you guys to see if you can use that. But we're actually going to be doing showing you the schedule that I want you guys to look at. And yeah, hello there, I miss you guys. So this is what Mrs. Phillips shared with me, and I am going to actually post this onto both Google Classroom and to Dojo. So around 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, we want you guys just to eat a healthy breakfast, like make your bed, brush your teeth, like do your normal morning wake up stuff. I've been getting up at the regular time that we've been all getting up in, so it's just wake up, get ready for the day. From 9 to 10 o'clock, we're going to call that math time, which is around the time that we normally have math. We're going to have a daily warm-up, whether it's going to be a Khan Academy video I post, or maybe I'll have a question on Google Classroom that I want you guys to do. And then a work page. This work page, of course, for these next 2 weeks is not required for you to actually do, because we're not requiring work if it's only going to be 2 weeks. But if it becomes longer than 2 weeks, then this will be a page that you need to do. And again, if you do not have access to a Chromebook, the district, I believe, is going to be providing Chromebooks. And if you do not have access to internet, I can always print out these worksheets and then send a folder home or give it to the district, and we can make sure that you guys have an opportunity. As always, like I said before, Dreambox and Reflex are really awesome tools that can supplement and help us with our math. But sometimes it could be a work page from Google Classroom, or sometimes I'll have a Khan Academy assignment that I want you guys to do. Right now, we're just going to be reviewing multiplication, division, and area and perimeter until we figure out exactly what's going on. So we'll move on when we figure out if we're going to come back or if we're going to extend it just a little bit longer for our safety. Around 10 o'clock, think of that as your recess time. Go outside and play, take a walk, shoot some hoops, dance party, go noodle, yoga videos. YouTube has such an awesome, huge repertoire resource for workout videos, and Go Noodle is what you guys can do as well. It's really fun exercise stuff. I personally use my Nintendo Switch. I have a Nintendo Switch Fit game, and that's kind of what I've been doing to get some exercise in. At 10:30, we're going to call that our special time. So library, PE, computer lab, art, music, stuff like that. So we'll call Monday our library time. So you can find a new book to read, or if you want, you can look a book on Epic or Storyline. You guys have access to Scholastic through Clever. Again, I can show you right here in our page. Because I have Scholastic, you guys also have access to Scholastic Magazine, which is awesome. I would definitely use that resource. You can do ReadWorks or Raz Kids, or just think of it as library time. You're checking out a new book. Okay. For PE, play a game as a family. You can do game ideas, like you can play board games, you can do just fun games as a family. Again, you can take this time to shoot hoops if you want, get some exercise in. I would completely recommend doing a yoga activity. It's very much harder than you think it is, but get some exercise in, especially if we're all stuck inside. I've been stuck inside, obviously, since Friday. I haven't really left. So it's important to get some exercise in so your body doesn't just get tired. Okay. Wednesday, I want you guys to do computer lab. So anything we normally do computer lab, I would really, really recommend typing club for a little bit each week or each day, because we don't want to lose our typing. I know you guys don't like it that much, but it's really important to make sure we keep up on our typing so that way we get better at it and faster at it. And remember, if any of you beat Miss McDade or match Miss McDade, which is 78 words a minute, I will buy you pizza. You can do code.org, you can do Codable, and a really cool, awesome idea for music is, this is for all the parents out there, introduce your kids to some music videos from before they were born, and expose them to new music and have them draw as they listen, and have them just maybe different genres, different countries, music. You can do K-pop, you can do like Indian music, you can do all these different kinds of awesome exposure of music for your kiddos. So I would suggest doing that. I'm super into K-pop right now, so just have them experience something new outside of what they normally listen to. Art for kids, Art Hub is a really awesome opportunity where you can, if your kids want to learn how to draw, or I'll be posting random options for art on Fridays as well, okay? Because I will be starting, it's Tuesday, so that's PE time. So tomorrow I will be waking up with you guys and doing things like that on Google Classroom. And I will be posting art ideas to Google Classroom. 11:30 to 12:30, is lunchtime. Remember, you can always pick up lunch at Napoma High School because they are providing breakfast and lunch for students. At 12:30, we're calling it language arts, or like science, social studies time. So here they have, again, as we talked about, this is Mrs. Phillips here, and Mrs. Phillips' class is doing region slides. We're going to make down here mystery science. I can share with you guys actual things that we want to do, but for ours, we're going to call this animal